Hey everybody, here's a little tip from a Whirlpool refrigerator with a buzzing noise coming from the back of the refrigerator when the refrigerator runs. Just remove the back panel from the refrigerator to expose the compressor, and this little metal bracket vibrates against this little twist hold down that they hold the compressor in with. Vibrates and makes the annoying buzzing noise. So if you just take a pair of pliers and twist this little hold down a little further against the metal bracket, that buzzing noise will go away. Hope this helps.